The face of someone when the whole world finds out you shit on the bed of Johnny Depp. That
I actually can still fathom the fact that she still did that.
Who shits on the bed? Really?
it's the act of someone who's losing their grip. Can't with it.
I'm losing the grip. You can't grip anything with little hands.
It'll look really big if you do.
Ah!
Hey-o.
Some people don't need that.
You heard it, Elf on the Shelf. Get Bird on the turd.
Bird on the turd.
Just for context. Just for context.
Yeah.
Bear is our MC. Bear runs our streams and lives and all that sort of thing. But I made these things and he hasn't seen them before.
Yes.
That was a good dookie.
Jackal 50. At least they know. Right? At least they know how to use a litter box.
We've gone to the poop joke section. I'm sorry.
So we went down this hole, eh?
Ha!
Well, actually, more like coming out of a hole than going down one. You know what I mean? High five.
Chris, high five.
What kind of coffee was she drinking? Focusing. Focus.
Focus is gone.
This was an edit of one of the Aquaman movie posters I did. Yes, it's petty. Yes, it's childish. Yes, it's still a little funny to me because Amber Heard did a thing and the world will likely never forget it now.
The turn is coming.
When your last name rhymes with something that a word
You
for
did?
poop,
That you did?
why would you do that? I'm gonna take a shit in the toilet, right? Right?
The world is my toilet.
I mean, seriously, right? Okay, so from a woman's perspective, if you were married, if you were lucky enough and blessed enough to be married to Johnny Depp, one of the most beautiful men, most popular men, one of the nicest men in the freaking world, don't shit in his bed. How classy. Revelation. She shit on that side of the bed, so he would actually sleep over on her side and be anywhere near her. Because that's the only way any man would get near her.
I'm laying in the poop.
There you go. Right.
It's Heard of the turd.
This is
This is it. The one. We're done here. Willy Wonka.
Okay. I was talking about this one the other day.
Oh, I'm done. Oh, shit.
She would just be at the top of the waterfall doing her thing.
All I can think of is Augustus Gloop. Oh!
He's blocking all the chocolate.
I'm okay with that.
Aye, Your Honor, it be true. I returned to me chambers one evening and the wench had left a log size in me arm beside me pillow. I can't with the little heart eye pat.
She's just covering up her pink eye.
Ah!
She now looks like Davy Jones without the tentacles.
Yeah. There you go.
They're invisible.
Lawyer, did you see what happened after you left? Johnny, I wasn't there after I left.
Whoa.
You have heard of me. Amber Heard's career the internet.
Is that the Flash?
I think it is.
That is the Flash.
Yeah.
That like Amber Heard's career. Oh, sorry. Toodaloo, motherfucker!